Hey guys, this is ticker symbol NVOS. This was requested by one of our members, and I'm going to go ahead and go over this as quickly as I can. This is just technical analysis and also just a speculation, so I can't guarantee that this will work every time, but I'm going to go ahead and share it with you guys. Ticker symbol NVOS. This is the 30-minute chart. So here we have a bullish crossover. When the green line crosses above the red line, this would be a potential entry. And then over here, we see the green line crossing below the yellow line. This is a warning or first exit, okay? Warning and also an exit. And then last but not least, if you end up holding it for risk, right? Because you think it might, bounce, and you end up holding it, right? And it continues to go down the green line. If the green line crosses the red line, that is the final warning. Okay, this isn't always, but typically this is how I view the strategy. This is the final warning to exit. Because when this occurs, this is the start of a bearish crossover. When the green line crosses below the red line, that is a bearish crossover. Okay, meaning you can expect to see more sell-off or downside momentum or downside movement. Okay, so you have the entry and you have the two possible exits. Okay, now I want to talk about this purple line that I created. Okay, so we have the Fibonacci lined up at 44 cents, which is the bottom, and then lined all the way up to the top here, which is $1.42. Once you line up the Fibonacci's, these are automatically placed. Okay, these are the supports and resistance levels that it could drop towards. Okay, so as we let the chart move on, right, we can see that it's going to sell off, right? We just don't know what's happening, right? If we get to this point, okay, if we get to this point, and this is all that we see, we don't see any of this. We can already see that there's a point here on top, there's a point here on top. We know there's a bit of here, and then also one right here, okay? With our imagination, we connect all those dots and create one single line all the way down. Same for this bottom side too. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 touch points is usually the minimum. There's about like 4 here, okay? So we create another line here for the bottom. All right. And then we can see that there is a downtrend pattern here. Within a downtrend pattern, you can expect to see a move like this for price. Price action is going to just move back and forth, bouncing between these two until something like this occurs, okay? Until we see either a break above, which is to the right of the downtrend pattern. And when this occurs, you can expect two things, right? Possibly consolidation, where price moves sideways, right? Or we can expect a new pattern either to the upside or another pattern to the downside, okay? Now, what happens if the price is moving like this and it breaks to the downside? And if it breaks to the downside, it's almost the same thing, right? If we break it to the downside, you can expect to see a move down to the next support. In this example, the next support is 65 cents. So we might see a bounce off of 65 cents into consolidation, or a bounce into 65 cents, right? And then a continuation of a sell-off, which is a new pattern. But typically, if I'm bullish, I would want to see a move breaking to the right side into a consolidation at least, or that new pattern of an upward trend. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Hopefully this wasn't too confusing. Again, this is ticker symbol NVOS. Today is June 7th. If you do want to take a look at this chart where I am at right now. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys.